Are you worried about your breakfast again? Good morning. Good morning. I'll be out in just a few minutes, I promise. Hi. Are you waiting on something?
He's trying to tell you Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, well, I guess yes, you guys definitely count as part of the crew.
Yeah, that's right.
But Donnie, I didn't order that out there today. It's only 50, going to be 53, and
that's really windy.
Windy, but it's been very windy out there. I didn't order that.
No,
Donnie.
you didn't. I'm sorry. That's not my Mother's Day gift for you.
I wanted to go to a poppy field today down in Benson. A friend went yesterday and take some photos, and that's not
probably going to happen.
Well, it can happen, but it won't be as good as it would have been because I don't know how good they'll look in a week. Maybe they'd still be okay.
Yeah, we'll see.
Hey, buddy. Good morning. Good morning. Hang on, I can't sit it all down at once. I'll be right there, Tux. Let me get these guys situated. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, guys. Come here. Come see Mama. Come on. Good boys. Good boys. You gonna come get your food now? Come on. Tuxie. Come on, bud. Come on. Yeah, you know the drill. You should be all trained. Come on. Come here, buddy. Yeah, go. That's my buddy. That's my buddy. That's a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. They're all fed. Well, I really didn't think I'd be turning the heating pads back on, but they're back on because we're going to have a low in the 40s tonight. And, you know, it's easy enough to turn them on and off. I really did think, though, in May that they would be off for the year. We're going to have below average temps for the first few days of this week. I guess it's better than above average temps. It's not cold enough to hurt anything, per se. So, it is what it is. So I am making an Oreo cookie cheesecake, and I'm thinking at least half of it's going to Michelle's house. I don't know. We'll see if I actually make it over there. It's so yucky out there today, but it's 11:10. Takes an hour to cook. I'm not quite done with it yet, so maybe we'll get out for a walk sometime after I take it out at 12:30ish. It is sprinkling just a little bit. But it's not, I don't think it's going to rain.
I agree.
I don't think the road's going to get wet and mess up the car.
I totally agree with that.
And it's so windy.
Well, the car, yeah, and the car.
It'll dry it off.
Yes, I totally agree.
So I forgot that Don was going to try to work 4 hours today. And that's for a good reason, because we're going up to not NC Car, it's near the track. We're going up to C4EE, the solar farm, up near Rocky Mount on Thursday to do a career education day up there for a bunch of high school kids. And we've done this before, but pre-COVID, so it's been a while. And Don's going to take off and go with me, so that means he's got to get some stuff done. And I really want him to go with me up there because obviously that's a drive, and we do better when we have two people work the car in a big crowd, and Don and I enjoy doing these things together and all that good stuff. That's so right. All that above. Totally good with him working a little bit today. He's trying to do documentation, and he really needs non-workday quiet off-hour time so people aren't needing other stuff in the middle of him trying to concentrate on the dock.
Interruptions really break my flow.
Yeah, so anyway, he's driving me up to Harris Teeter and Walmart to pick up a few things. And then he's gonna drop me off at South Park, and I'm gonna walk home down the trail, up the hill, down the driveway to the house. That should get me about my normal walk. And he's gonna get the cheesecake out of the oven. So it's, yeah.
You're gonna trust me with the cheesecake.
And we decided there's 5 of them. Is that right? There's 5 of them, and there's 3 of us. So if we cut the cheesecake into eighths, we can have a piece here, and then we'll deliver the rest of it over there. I just might not deliver it till tomorrow. We'll see. It's not going to be cold enough to eat anytime soon today anyway. I should have made it yesterday. I just felt like baking. I mean, I know it's Mother's Day and people, you know, moms don't normally cook on Mother's Day or cook a lot extra, but I just felt like baking today. It is what it is. So that line is for Krispy Kreme, which is on the far corner over there. So it's all the way around the building. I guess a lot of guys had the idea to go get donuts for Mother's Day. They have those really like designer decorator donuts now that are super pretty. So yeah, interesting. Ooh, there's a Model Y in the line. Wow, that was what, 20 cars?
Yeah, I would say.
Yeah, about 20. Yeah, honestly, I just hate dealing with parking over here. So, Don bringing me out, that's good. I went into Walmart too, really in a rush to get back in time to cut the cheesecake off, and both Harris Teeter and Walmart were just packed with people doing their normal after church shopping on Sunday, add in mother's on the way to mom's house, need to bring something, pick up something. So wow. I didn't pick the best time to go, but I basically got what I needed. Bye, Donnie. I feel for him, you know, he doesn't want to be working on a Sunday, although I also understand I just need some quiet time to get something done that's not regular business hours. I get that too, so it's spitting on me just a little bit. But you know, I'll take this over 95 and hot and sweaty and scorching sun any day. So I've got on long sleeves, but not a jacket. I'm mostly comfortable. If I had on the jacket, I think I'd be too hot. Haven't passed a soul. I'm sure they're all with Mom. Johnny will be home at 6, and if you missed me saying, we have plans this coming weekend, and I suggested that he stick with the regular schedule and be home next weekend to go to a truck show at the North Carolina Transportation / Train Museum. I walked up to the top of the hill by the environmental park just so I could finish raiding with the Fuquay Pogo players. Now I'm going to walk down the hill and up the hill to the house, and I do have a trash bag. I'm not going to try to get every last piece, but large stuff. Almost home after 100 times bending over. I just looked at the rain gauge and we had a ½ an inch yesterday. So not shabby. Hi guys. Don just took it out. This one called for letting it sit for another hour in the oven after the hour at 320.
Right. This little bit, I could tell when I cut it off an hour ago.
Yeah.
And cracked the oven. I could see just the hint of the color.
So it did continue to cook a smidge.
That's right. But the center was shiny.
Right.
And it looked a little wet. It still had that wet look, but now that we've taken it out,
it looks set.
It looks set.
And it's going to have a chocolate hazelnut cream glaze on top with some more Oreo cookies. Right. So it'll look very pretty when I'm done with it.
That's right. It's Mother's Day, you know, and you know what you're supposed to always get your girl on Mother's Day, right? You get them flowers. But when you have a Lego master girl, you can't just get them regular flowers. You got to get them Lego flowers.
Oh wow, that's way cool. So I get to work on that now?
Yeah,
I got time to work on that?
Yeah, because I'm doing Doc. Happy Mother's Day.
Aw, thank you, Donnie. Well, the book goes into detail on what each flower is supposed to be, and like the Snapdragon has detail in that there are 3 different shades of pink to make it look authentic. It's fun. Hi, are you okay? Hi. Hi. Meow. Hey, Stripey. I know he's inside, isn't he? But I got you up here and he's down there. You're good. I just wanted to show everybody my flowers. They came out very nicely. I'm quite pleased. There's aster and roses and snapdragons, a poppy, some daisies. Very pretty. Alright, there's the Oreo cheesecake. Like I said, we're going to keep 3 pieces here and send the other 5 pieces to Michelle's house, but it's probably going to be tomorrow. It's not cold enough. It's not all the way set up yet. I know. Hi. Hello. Hello, sweetheart. Hi. He's just worried. Hi. There's the deviled eggs I made.
This is from both me and Sam.
Way cool. To be opened on Mother's Day to Mom.
Aww.
Thank you. Yeah, Sam had messaged me that you guys had made a little something for me. I thought that was really sweet. I'm being careful with it. Oh, wow. Way cool. It's a Tesla car.
It's a Tesla car.
Yeah.
That's Model X.
Yeah, it does look like a Model X.
Why are you looking back here? There's nothing to see where you're expecting something creative or clever. Fine, the cat wants to wish you a happy Mother's Day. And there's a tux.
That is.
That's really cute. Why are you looking back here? I like it.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Aww.
Driving by to wish you a happy Mother's Day.
Aww.
Well, you guys did great.
Mm-hmm.
And then they wrote me some stuff that is going to make me tear up, and I don't want to embarrass them since they wrote me sweet, sentimental things. But thank you. That's very nice of you and Sam.
That's very nice. You did good, Johnny. Really good. You and Sam both.